and this is Amber. If you've never tuned into one of my videos, welcome and thank you for joining in. It's been a long hot day here in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to make some homemade French onion dip. So that being said, the reason I call it the hormone hack effect is we use food to fight fat, to lose weight, and we do it with hacking the food that you like, putting it in my transformational formula so you can get the results that you're looking for using real food, no supplements, vitamins of that nature. So anyway, this is one of my favorite things I like to eat. You could technically, yes, break this with your fast. It's because it's got the good fat in it, but I would use vegetables with it if you're going to use it to break your fast, or if you're later on into your eating, then this is what you'd like to have for a snack. And you can use it with organic potato chips that are sea salted or pink Himalayan salted, whatever, or even if you make some fries in the air fryer, you can do that too. So that being said, let's get started. It's very simple, very easy. I quit buying French onion dip a couple years ago because it was full of preservatives, and I easily have everything to make it at home all the time. The main thing I have to make sure I usually have is just my sour cream. Now, I am using sour cream, Daisy sour cream. Now, I usually get organic sour cream because I can get it, but the store I was at the other day did not have it, and that's fine. Why did I choose Daisy of all the other brands? Because when I look at the ingredients on the back, you have cultured cream. That's it. That's it. And that's, so the least amount of ingredients on the label for sour cream, the better, if you can't find it organically. So, that being said, that's what I'm going to use. I do everything to taste, my taste. So, I'm going to just put in a bunch of sour cream. And honestly, I have no idea how much that is. That's probably a few tablespoons. You know, 3 or 4. I mean, this is just for me. I'm the only one who's going to eat it. So, there you go. The salt I'm going to use is I'm going to use organic pink Himalayan salt. Love pink Himalayan salt. If you are using iodized salt, throw it away. You need to be using this. Don't fear, you will always get your iodine from eggs and dairy, and you don't have to fear that you need to throw it away. Pink Himalayan salt's the best because it has vitamin or minerals from the soil, and that's how you get it into your body. I see Toonsy the cat. He's over here looking at what I'm going to do. So I've put pink Himalayan salt in there. I use minced onion. You can use onion powder, but I like the minced onion. This is simply organic minced onion. That's all it is. And I like the chunks. So I go ahead and open up the pour, and I pour it in there. This is kind of, if you like French onion dip, you're going to want to use plenty of onion, because that's why we call it French onion dip. You get that. I use a little bit of garlic powder, but I don't hardly use any of it. Just like, literally, like that's it. Just enough to give it a little bit of flavor. And then finally, I use Parsley Flakes. These, I believe I found at my local grocery store. You can buy them and chop them if you want. It totally doesn't matter. You can grow them. If you're growing them in your garden, then there you go. Otherwise, be kind of liberal in that too. So I usually put in a lot. There's the cat. Hi, Toons. You see what I'm making? French onion dip. So, and that's it. And then I just mix it up. No preservatives, no additives. I'm telling you, if you've never seen the ingredient list on French onion dip, it'll mortify you. You'll make it from scratch forever. And it looks and tastes so much better. It's so much fresher. I know my friend Jamie makes this all the time. She said when she was growing up, that's all her mom always made it. And that's French onion dip, and this is how we hack it. And I'm sorry that Toonsy's on the table, but he just wanted to see what I was doing. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. I did put for taste on the description of the video. If you're not in my email list, go to my email list, thehormonehack.com. And if you want to follow my stuff, I'm at The Hormone Hack on Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere else. So if I can help you hack a recipe, let me know. Otherwise, we are going to have some French onion dip and figure out where all these flies came from. And we're going to cook some hamburgers tonight on the grill. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.